हांव एंथनी डिसिल्वा आनी हो ग्लेन कबराल. आमी ही एक यात्रा सुरू करता फ्रॉम दिस लोहिया चौक, द वेरी प्लेस फ्रॉम वेर द सीट ऑफ फ्रीडम फॉर गोवा was started during Julia Menezi's time, where Ram Manohar Lohia had stayed overnight at Julia Menezi sir. This is the place where the seat for freedom and justice was given. And as he justice magta with respect to the illegal bungalow at Old Goa. Ami yatra shuru karta hai jagah, and we will culminate it at Old Goa near the illegal bungalow at Old Goa. Justice delayed is justice denied. तेका लागून आमी मागता all the respectable people who are responsible, the bureaucrats down, the courts, and all the machineries, please get us the justice with respect to this illegal bungalow as soon as possible. देव बरें करूं. आणि आमी सांगता to tell the government that we have not forgotten the issue. People should not consider this issue is dead. This issue is still alive. It's in the court. We will respect the court decision. But what we are feeling hurt is there is continuously delay technique. We want justice to be done. We don't want only technicalities on words and documentation, but a justice. We are not talking about a law itself. We are talking about justice also. Dev Bare Guru. Thank you very much.